used for bad navigation. A bird who loses his flight path doesn't deserve his wings. Isn't that what I always say to you?
Always. But I can't even fly yet. I got lost on foot.
Bah, you don't do anything less than this.
Well, he's only a youngster. Maybe we should direct him. Give him his marching orders.
Very well. We're geese. Migrants, you know? Birds of passage. Run a tight. Wouldn't do for us to lose our way, what?
Where were you trying to get to, dear?
Back to my mother. On the lake. I think it's in that direction. I saw some ducks going over a few minutes ago.
Well, if you did, it was probably their last flight mission, what?
Why? There's a shoot on the marsh, dear. It's very dangerous.
What's a shoot?
It's a people sport. You see, one group of men drove through the marsh, scaring ducks into the air, while the second group, with guns, shoot them back at them.
People? Oh, the cat told me about people.
The cat!
Yes, you see, I went off with this cat.
Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous a cat is?
Well, yeah, but she said she was my friend.
Oh, trust me, you don't want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you.
Why?
Gun dogs. They must be starting to shoot again. Time for maneuvers. I hoped it wouldn't come to this, but I have no options. All right, ready. Company, fall in. I didn't mean it literally. All right, eyes front. Now, we are about to take part in a mission the likes of which we have never faced before. Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
This duckling's lost his mom, Lesson, and we are going to find her.
You're a fine body of beast. You're a fine body of beast. And I know you will give it your best. Good luck, then. We're off on a wild trip. Windy goes into the squad. No fear. We're off, and no matter where we roam. Although my bones is scant, and the goggles are short to find your home. Runway, prepare for take off. We might apart. Forget. I hear his cabin lights rather dim. Strokes away or explain my heart. We're off on a wild goose chase, and a simple mission position the whereabouts of your love. We're off in the last way, blown into kingdom come. We won't be back until we found home. Excuse me, sir. Cat's advancing from the rear. What? Cattail do not advance vertically. One of the things they are most famous for is being rooted to the spots. Hello, Ducky. Lass, stand back or I'll peck.
Oh, we still my quaking legs. I'm going to be goose.
How are you doing?
What are friends for? I'm come to take you back to your mother. She's taken on something frightful.
My mother? You've seen my mother?
Of course. She sent me to fetch you.
Listen here, Cat. I'm the commander out here. And my squadron's taken personal charge. The duckling seems to turn into his mother.
Well, we can try mine now. Have you heard the guns?
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's the party, but we'll fly if we want to.
Silence in the ranks!
Little joke, sir.
Perhaps I can be of assistance. I'll go down to the chute and tell you that they're packing up for the day.
Very well. But no funny business. I'm a shower with the skin your tongue.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot. I am your senior flight attendant, and on behalf of Captain Greymile, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from Boggy Marshland to so far, fun farm. We will be cruising at an altitude of several miles and flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an